So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change clothes in Picsart. So the first thing you want to do is open up Picsart, the app. Once you've done that, you will need to log into your account. From here you can see some of the projects you already have and make sure you choose something that you're already working. Now I've added this picture, so it's really blank and it has nothing as it connects to clothes, but I will just show you through here how you can change clothes on Picsart. So the way to do that is to go to the bottom and just swipe until you find the cutout. Now if you wish to change between clothes, make sure that there are a few pictures that look about the same, so the pose that person has is about the same. If you wish to change clothes from clothes, click on the cutout option. From here you can see person, face, you can see auto, so they can automatically cut out something from the photo. You can see clothes, sky, head, hair, and so on. So if you click on clothes, it will search through the picture for clothes. If it finds something, that's fine. Once you find clothes you want to switch between, so you can check out how the different clothes will look on a person, you can go to preview. After that, you can just go ahead and save and cut out the clothes and find some other picture and add it by going to the option of adding photo, and through there you can add some other piece of clothing. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Picsart or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.